Love, friendship, bonding, and relationships are the essence of any Indian festivals, and it holds true for Raksha Bandhan as well. Raksha Bandhan is a celebration of the pure bond that exists between siblings and loved ones. The promise to always be there, to always protect them, no matter what the circumstances may be. Namaste, and welcome back to Swasti Vatika, the Garden of Wellness. In this week's video, we explore and discuss the celebration of what Raksha Bandhan is, that we will be celebrating on Monday, August 3rd. The word Raksha Bandhan literally means a bond of protection. This festival is more than a Hindu tradition, but a statement of trust and love between family members. The Rakhi is tied on the wrist in hopes of protecting the wearer so that they will always stay strong through the ups and downs in life. Many stories have been linked to the origins of Raksha Bandhan. One of these stories is of Lord Krishna and Draupadi. On a beautiful day, Krishna accidentally cut his little finger while he was handling sugarcane. Rukmini, his queen, immediately sent help to get a bandage cloth, while Satyabhama, his other consort, rushed to bring some cloth herself. Seeing this, Draupadi tore a strip of her cloth from her sari and began to tie Krishna's fingers to stop the bleeding. Lord Krishna, realizing her affection and concern, declared himself bound by her sisterly love. He promised to protect her all her life. Many years later, when the Pandavas wagered and lost Draupadi in the game of dice, Dushasana attempted to disrobe her. As he began to strip the sari from her body, Draupadi began to pray to Shri Krishna to protect her honor. Krishna then made her sari to be endless so that Dushasana could never be able to take it off. This year, for Raksha Bandhan, it is very different since many of us won't be able to celebrate Raksha Bandhan in the physical presence of our siblings. That's why this year, our effort is to make this occasion memorable and enjoyable while keeping social distancing norm in the picture. If this year has taught us one thing, it's that life is unpredictable and we never know what can happen next to us or to our loved ones the next minute. Let's cherish the bonds in our lives and live well. Prioritize our relationships over our ego. On behalf of Swasti Vatika, we hope that you have a blessed and fruitful Raksha Bandhan tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up and comment how you will be celebrating your Raksha Bandhan. Jai Shri Krishna.
हम बहनों की लिए मेरे भैया आता ही एक दिन साल में, आता ही एक दिन साल में। आज के दिन में जहाँ भी रहो चले आना वहाँ हर हाल में, चले आना वहाँ हर हाल में। हम बहनों की लिए मेरे भैया आता ही एक दिन साल में, आता ही एक दिन साल में। कितने दिन और कितने रहने इस आंगन में रह नहीं मैंने, कितने दिन डोली कब ससुराल में, चले आना वहाँ हर हाल में। हम बहनों की लिए मेरे भैया, आता ही एक दिन साल में, आता ही एक दिन साल में। आज के दिन में जह भी रहो चले आना वहाँ हर हाल में, चले आना वहाँ हर हाल में। हम बहनों की लिए मेरे भैया, आता ही एक दिन साल में, आता ही एक दिन साल